Hi everyone, Ethan here. Today I'll be reviewing the Thule EnRoute 23 litre backpack. Let's take a closer look. We have a small pocket at the front here, which is lined with microfleece so you can keep any of your belongings scratch free. On the side here, we have a zippered pocket which can keep your accessories, your cables, anything that you want. It's quite a large area and you can expand it. We also have a water bottle compartment on the side here. There are two on each side. You can also keep anything on the inside there because it has some extra room. In the safe zone compartment, we'll find a crush-proof place to store your sunglasses, and there's also a net for your phone. We also have a cane handle here to carry your backpack. And on the side here, we'll find some daisy chains so you can hook anything that you want freely. Opening the main compartment, we'll find that one side doesn't open all the way, but the other side does for easy loading, while also minimizing the risk of everything in your backpack falling out. We have a zipper mesh compartment here to store any of your accessories. We have a tablet compartment here which will fit most 10-inch tablets. And also a laptop compartment for 15.6-inch laptops and smaller. This bag is made of a durable 330D nylon and also 600D polyester, which makes it really sturdy. On the back here we have really comfy padded straps with nice air channels and a nice cushion back. We have a clip here so you can wear your backpack easily. They are adjustable. And it's quite a comfortable backpack to wear. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll post a video later showing myself packing this bag so we can see what we can fit inside. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel and share this video with anyone else who you think might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching.